Welcome to Investoro. The crypto market in 2025 is unlike anything we've seen before. After years of volatility, innovation, and speculation, the industry is maturing. The most promising crypto assets are beginning to separate themselves from the noise. For investors, this means incredible opportunities to get in early on projects that could define the next decade of finance and technology. But with thousands of tokens on the market, the key is identifying which assets actually have long-term potential and which are just hype. Let's explore some of the most promising crypto assets of 2025. The ones that institutional money is watching, and the projects that could make a real difference in the future of global finance. First, let's start with Bitcoin. It might sound obvious, but Bitcoin remains the foundation of the crypto market. It's the digital gold, the asset that institutions and retail investors alike turn to for store of value. The 2024 halving event has already tightened supply, and history shows that in the 12 to 18 months following each halving, Bitcoin typically enters a bull cycle. This pattern is hard to ignore, and in 2025, Bitcoin could once again reach levels no one imagined possible. With growing adoption from governments, ETFs, and large financial institutions, Bitcoin remains one of the safest long-term bets in crypto. The second promising crypto asset is Ethereum. While Bitcoin holds the crown as a store of value, Ethereum is the backbone of decentralized applications. Its transition to proof-of-stake has improved energy efficiency, and upgrades to scalability are making the network faster and cheaper. Ethereum powers decentralized finance, NFTs, gaming, and much more. The sheer size of its ecosystem and developer activity gives Ethereum unmatched staying power. For investors, Ethereum is not just a bet on a single asset, but on the entire decentralized internet. The third asset worth highlighting is Solana. Despite early setbacks in its history, Solana has proven itself as one of the fastest and most scalable blockchains on the market. Developers love it because of its low transaction fees and high throughput, making it ideal for DeFi platforms, gaming, and NFT marketplaces. In 2025, Solana continues to see strong adoption, partnerships across industries, and increasing use cases. Institutions are also starting to take notice, which could drive significant growth in the years ahead. Next on the list is Chainlink. Unlike other blockchains that focus on speed or decentralization, Chainlink solves a fundamental problem, bringing real-world data onto the blockchain. Its decentralized oracles are essential for smart contracts, DeFi platforms, and countless other applications. Without accurate data feeds, the blockchain ecosystem can't function properly. That's why Chainlink has become an integral part of the industry. As the demand for tokenized assets and decentralized applications grows, Chainlink's role will only expand, making it one of the most promising assets to hold long-term. Another crypto asset attracting attention in 2025 is Avalanche. It's known for its incredible speed and ability to support multiple custom blockchains. Avalanche is positioning itself as a platform for enterprise adoption. Large companies are exploring Avalanche for everything from finance to supply chain management. Its flexibility and scalability give it a unique edge. Investors who believe in blockchain's role in global business should keep a close eye on it. Then there's XRP. After years of regulatory battles, Ripple has emerged stronger than ever. With clearer regulations in place, XRP is gaining traction as a cross-border payment solution. Banks and financial institutions are starting to adopt Ripple's network for fast and cheap international transfers. This real-world use case gives XRP a level of utility that many other tokens lack, making it a serious contender for long-term investment. Polkadot also deserves a mention. Its focus on interoperability allows different blockchains to communicate and share data. This is critical for the future of a decentralized world, where hundreds of blockchains will need to work together. Polkadot's Parachain model and active developer community make it one of the most innovative projects in the space. If blockchain ecosystems continue to expand, Polkadot could be at the center of it all. Finally, let's not forget stablecoins and tokenized assets. While not as glamorous as high-growth tokens, stablecoins like USDC and USDT play a vital role in the crypto economy by providing liquidity and stability. Meanwhile, the tokenization of real-world assets such as real estate, stocks, and commodities is becoming one of the biggest trends in 2025. Platforms enabling this shift could open entirely new markets, making them incredibly valuable in the long run. The most promising crypto assets in 2025 are those that combine strong fundamentals with real-world use cases. Bitcoin offers scarcity and trust. Ethereum delivers decentralized applications and scalability. Solana brings speed and innovation. Chainlink provides critical infrastructure. Avalanche and Polkadot push enterprise and interoperability solutions. XRP bridges the gap between traditional finance and blockchain. Together, they represent the future of money, business, and technology. For investors, the key is to avoid getting distracted by hype and to focus on projects with real adoption and staying power. While meme coins and speculative tokens might generate short-term excitement, history has shown that long-term winners are those that solve real problems and provide real value. By spreading investments across a diversified portfolio of these promising assets, investors can position themselves to benefit from the next wave of crypto growth. This could truly be a defining decade for digital assets, as governments, institutions, and individuals embrace blockchain. The winners of today will likely become the giants of tomorrow. If you're thinking about investing in crypto in 2025, focusing on these promising assets may give you the edge you need to build serious long-term wealth. Subscribe to Investero.